Sekuthiwa yini nale yoqeda kuyishuta baba?
Hayi manje qasa kancane.
We're birding. Welcome to our YouTube channel. We know it's been a while. It's because of COVID. Then futhi okunye nje. Sesi discard, but so today you are vlogging. Singaphi nje? Yeah baba.
Kuthiwa bird gardens.
Bird gardens.
Yeah,
Okay,
Montecasino
it's a
Bay.
bird gardens, Montecasino. Different location, same people. So I spot Dennis Bonoguchi. Dinsango red vele sembono tsitswila.
And if you're new to this channel, please don't forget to subscribe. Please subscribe. Subscribe how? Subscribe, share the video, like, share your game. Just engage with the content. Thank you very much for watching.
Amantinke lapha zichiphe njani? Saba wena ukuhlala la. Ama 13 rand.
Oh, okay. And then, fuck room. This guy is a bit.
He's a better.
Yeah, I'm a better. So, Busha. So we just walk around and see. Yeah. Oh, okay. 20 minutes.
Okay, sharp. Before we continue with the video, BYO memes merchandise is now available in Bulawayo. Available in Bulawayo, Harare, Johannesburg. Hey, Singis. If you want to purchase anything that you're seeing on the screen right now, be sure to check on the description of this video. Thank you very much.
Oh, Lamolo.
What's up?
Zwanta.
Hey, it's been a while. Hey, it's been a while.
It's been a minute.
But yeah, we're back. Yeah. We're just hoping we go to the podcast is recorded soon. Problem is Mali. Change of environment.
Khona into ehlanganayo.
So we're just planning out a few logistics. Then podcast Penduga, Jolo FM, in Futo.
BYO memes.
We buy, please do not touch the bird. What if the bird touches me? What do I do? If the bird touches me, where is God?
Say hello, Baba.
She can talk.
Not really. She mumbles more than talking.
Okay.
She talks a little bit, but it's when she feels like it. Like when there's people, she's very shy, pretends that she can't talk. But when she wants to be part of the conversation, then she's very chatty.
Okay.
Hello.
She's cute. She's a
Kathi ngimadiba.
Nelson Mandela. So where you
Inyona do
Further
madiba.
up into like
Okay, so we were lucky to have a tour guide. Maybe nxe umlungu wayesezibonela ama boyfriend, but at least wayesitshengisa bo njengabantu benejiyo yabona sizothatha inyoni sizothatha amapikitsha sharp esizalitshengisa wona ekugcineni kwevideo
awona into esharp ngendawo ezinje so it's not always the case ukuthi icheremele lambe ku-movie liyebambana izinto you can always come here guys
and have fun.
nature yeah just yabo hamba kuphela nothi kuphonga ukuhamba kuphela kuthiwa meet up Netflix and chill yabona like nature yabona different air ukubreathe umoya ongafaniyo. Emzali yabona izitshebo ziyiswile lezi khona kuhle bra inyoni engiyaziyo ngujiji kuphela bengazake ngibona inyoni ezinje kanje I can't confusing guys. Am I the only one who was confused? The push pull like lapho kuthiwa push khona i-pull. Why pull? Okay. But
okay, so obviously coming out of lockdown, the park was closed to public for just over a year. So it has been quite a process to try and phase our birds back into demonstrations or shows, if you like. And therefore we are keeping it nice and short. Because remember, for over a year they've only seen their trainers and their people. Okay. So this is a bit of a training session. It's going to be very straightforward. We're going to have 2 lovebirds and 1 bird just coming out stretching her legs a little bit. Now, before we get going, just a quick question. You can tell me what a raptor is. Yeah, go for it.
It's a bird of prey.
It's a bird of prey. Well done. What do they eat?
They eat meat, flesh.
Absolutely right. Okay, so to summarize, raptors are
stop.
They obviously have very
no guys literally ita abantu abamnyama kuphela la abaku-3 1 2 3
Ngiyachaza.
yeah kuyiswile
encounter experience.
yeah.
Okay, so Shade is going to tell you a little bit more about Lana Falcon. She is Ayela's primary trainer. Go for it.
Alright guys, how you all doing?
Good.
So Ayela here, she's quite old for a Lana Falcon. She's actually 16 years old. Out in the wild, these guys would be reaching about the age of about 7 to 10, around about that. But here at Monte, for example, she doesn't have anything like predators or starvation or poisoning or anything like that that's going to be impacting her life. So she'll be living a nice long life here with us. But there are a couple of really cool adaptations falcons have in order to go the speeds in which they need to. Because these guys are aerial hunters. So what that means is they're going to be catching a lot of their prey in mid-air. So what they're going to be catching, of course, is mainly either large insects, birds, and quite incredibly, the Lana falcon.
Okay, so into esisenzakala manje umlungu usebhoda nenyoni and we're just watching. Asla choice but to watch. At the end of the day, I feel like these things are white people. Getting on his papa, but it was a good experience. I highly recommend if you want to do something different for a change. In terms of going out, you should definitely visit Montecasino Bird Gardens. Yeah, Bird Gardens. It's a Fourways, South Africa.
Male and instead, hello my baby. Where's the other naughty one? Where's your naughty baby? Yeah, he is terrible. Hello, mommy.
Even the bend, even the you know where the danger is. You know where the danger is. You know where the danger is.